here, and these morning meeting chips are a great conversation starter. They're kid-friendly, and it's a great way to get to know our friends. What I love about it is this pack has 40 chips in there, and everyone gets a chance to answer a question. And so here I have a chip. You can see here, it's got a nice sturdy feel to it. And on the front it says morning meeting chips, but on the back there's a question. And so this one is describe a kind gesture that someone recently did for you. And so I love that. It gets us off on a positive note, and we're thinking about some kindness. It's a great way for kids that are shy to have a question and be able to answer. This is a way for everyone to be involved and start to learn about one another and feel a sense of community. While these chips can be used in the classroom, they can also be used in an office setting. The questions are kid-friendly, but they can also be used for adult questions. Here's one question. Would you rather have a rewind button or a pause button that you could use whenever you wanted? And so these questions can go for adult conversation as an icebreaker when there are meetings, or they can be used in the classroom as a way to get to know one another when the year starts, or just a way to start off the morning and learn more about each other. So I love the fact that they're versatile and any age range will work. So I hope you found the review helpful.